While many websites are relatively static, some enterprise repositories have dynamic content that changes frequently. For example, a newsfeed or an active customer support site may have hundreds of new items added every day. The ability to identify and act on new content is often critical. Unlike most search platforms, Lucidworks offers a built-in capability called Enterprise Alerts that allows users to be notified when new content shows up. These alerts can be viewed from within Lucidworks, or they can be emailed to users at regular intervals. So in this series of 2 videos, you're going to learn how to configure Lucidworks to enable alerts, how to create alerts, and what your options are for viewing alerts. And as always, if you need more help or documentation, head over to the Lucidworks documentation site at lucidworks.lucidimagination.com. Before users can be alerted to new content, Lucidworks needs to be set up for delivery. System administrators usually set this up, but a power user with the right information can also do it easily. I'm going to go ahead and log into Lucidworks now. And because this is a global setting, I'm going to click on Settings up here to the right rather than drilling down into one of our collections. Now there's several pieces of information you'll need to continue from this point. You'll need to have the name and port number of the Lucidworks server that you'll use for alerts, which will usually be the same instance of Lucidworks that you log into. And you'll also need to have the name and port number of the outgoing email server that will deliver these results, as well as a username and password for that email account. If you only have one instance of the Lucidworks server that you're going to use for alerts and everything else, you can actually leave this hostname and server port field blank, because Lucidworks will default to the current instance if you don't enter anything there. I'm going to enter the email server we'll be using in this example. Server port's the default of 25 for outgoing mail. I'm going to enter in username here and the password. And in our example, our mail server does use SSL, so I'll click this checkbox. And you can actually just skip over and leave all of these LDAP settings blank for now. So I'll go to the bottom and click Update Settings. And when you see that Settings Save dialog box, that means that the configuration part of enabling alerts in Lucidworks is complete. So stay tuned for part 2 of our video, where we'll cover how to create and how to view alerts in Lucidworks. Thanks for watching.